Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Still waking up to a little bit of drizzle or some lighter showers in far eastern and southeastern Kentucky. More of that is here along the spine of the Appalachian Mountains. Here you go up through Bell, Harlan, Letcher, Pike counties, but back behind that you may run into a patch or some drizzle along the Mountain Parkway, back as far really to the northwest, maybe even there as you're getting into the southeastern part of Madison County. Under these low clouds, low level moisture, it's trapped here, so it is leading to a bit of that will gradually move out, but it'll be a slow go to get those clouds out. It took again a good part of the night for it to actually break up here. So the cloud line, the clearing line is to right here, about Lexington up through Paris here, but areas south of that still socked in the clouds, which I'll show you on the home view camera in just a minute what a difference it is. Lower 60s to the north again because we had a chance to clear out a bit. Farther to the south, it's in the low to mid 60s. So even despite clouds lingering, it is cooler there this morning. Look at the difference here. Lots of clouds, Somerset and Richmond, but Lexington and Paris here, hardly any clouds, only a couple of tiny clouds, so mainly clear in our neck of the woods. And areas north and west of Lexington are similar. South and east, clouds are hanging on. So let's go back over the last few hours. There's the back edge of the clearing line right here. So literally just south of Lexington. It'll take several more hours for that clearing line to push south. So if you live farther south and southeast, you're hanging to clouds for really most of this morning. And it may even take into the afternoon before the drier air starts to win out and erode these clouds. See that there? Even by 4. So it's likely going to be much cooler in southeastern Kentucky today and even parts of eastern parts of the state, maybe mid and upper 70s as we're looking at that northwest wind dropping the temperatures, but also bringing in less humid air. This high pressure is going to keep us dry as we go into the day today and into tomorrow morning. Tomorrow late in the day it starts to move away and we see a little bit of cloud cover, but we get our way into Thursday and that next front that you can see there in the left side of your screen starts to move closer to us by Thursday. That brings our next chance at least for some spotty rain and storms. Beyond that though, there is a much better rain chance again getting into Friday. And then looking into the day on Saturday too, looks like we're going to have waves of showers and storms during that period. It's not going to rain continuously from Friday to Saturday, but we'll have a front that's just kind of draped across the area that could lead to some localized flooding. Now beyond that though, we look like we're going to go into a drier and hotter pattern as we get into the start and really the middle of next week. Up near 90 on Monday and then maybe going into the low to mid 90s as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday. So a drier spell is definitely coming once we get past the rain chances this weekend.